Okay, so I'm here in the front yard. Beautiful dual cleanout. Couple 4-inch ABS pipes, which could be good if they repaired all the lines. My worry is that usually when you see these, it's because they had some root problems in the past. First, I'm going to go up towards the house, check the line both ways. Looks good, or ABS. And it looks like a newer pipe, so this is a good sign, a new house. And then we're going to run, got a little crack there in the clay and the connection. Not going to really affect much. I'm not going to be able to go with that way. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, we're good. Go near the clay. Looks good. A couple connections there. And that's probably as far as I'm going to go. And it heads up there. So up towards the house looks beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Pull back out and go in the other pipe. Okay, pull out. We're now going to head up to the other pipe here, which is the one closest to the house, and this will head towards the street. Right into the clay piping, so we got ABS under the house. Clay headed towards the street. And it looks beautiful. See anything? Sad there. Oh, look at that. It's been epoxy lined right there. You can see it. It's beautiful. So they did some good work to this. It's been lined. They're going to be good for at least 50 years here on this. Got an epoxy liner. That's why they put this in. We're at 50 feet. All looks good. Snap another picture. Getting close to the end here. Boom, and there's your main. Boom, looks beautiful. No issues in this pipe. They put the dual clean out. Brand new epoxy lining down to the street. ABS up into the house. Really nice looking pipe, no issues here.